Hi, my name's Matt McCreith. I'm a senior architect at GT3 and I've been working on the Bedworth Physical Activity Hub project for the last 5 years. Biggest challenge that the project has faced has been sort of through its 5 year life cycle has been the pandemic, the global conflicts and the energy crisis really creating a sort of perfect storm that we've had to weather. How do we overcome those challenges? It has been really strong communication through the client team to the contractor team all the way through the process to make sure that we're involved in the key decisions. We give the right information to those making those key decisions, and ultimately, again, sort of being transparent, open, and honest. Key challenges for the borough to face with this project were rising levels of obesity, rising levels of mental ill health, lack of, say, learn to swim facilities, and then sort of limited access to some of the facilities in the borough. So these are all the sort of the headline challenges that we're looking to address with this project. Advice I'd give to local authorities that are going through a similar sort of challenge or are potentially looking to will be taking the time at the start of a project to get your brief right. I think that has been so crucial in how we have weathered the storm in this project. What made the Bedworth brief so effective was the large amount of hard work that went into the briefing stage at the start of the project, understanding what challenges their borough faced, what provision was required, and then also referring to that brief all the way through the process has been absolutely key. It's been a constant point of reference for us. How did the brief evolve as we went along? I think as I say, it hasn't necessarily evolved. The project has evolved around trying to make sure we constantly deliver upon the brief. It's been making sure that when we make a decision, again, whether or not it's on a commercial basis, a design basis, it's always been with that brief in mind. So I would say the project has revolved around the brief rather than the brief sort of changing. Community engagement shaped the design massively right from day one. We took a really targeted and structured approach to that engagement, making sure that we spoke to key decision makers in the council, key user groups of the current facility, but also ones that we're looking to move into the new facility. So it has been a constant sort of process all the way through a project. It wasn't done from day one and then not again. It's been sort of carried all the way through the project's life cycle to date. We're hoping that this project will make a massive difference in the borough. We're very proud to play a part in it, and we're really excited to see the difference it will make. It will provide so much new provision to the town of Bedworth and the wider borough. It will provide all sorts of different types of spaces that offer something different to each type of user group. So it is that sort of community hub that means more. It's more than just a leisure centre.